Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a revision of the primary checkpoint exams. In this video I will try to cover up all different kind of questions that will give you enough revision to get ready for your exams. And before we start, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section when do you have your maths actual checkpoint exam, and what country are you watching from, so that I can know how many videos and when to upload the new videos. Okay, so let's start. The first question that I have here is calculate 8 times 3 over 4. So this is calculate. You need to know the words always. Calculate means you need the exact value. So here we have 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So we are divided both numbers. So in numerator we have 2 times 3, it is 6. So answer is 6, right? Now second question, here are 4 calculations. You are given these 4 calculations. Draw a ring around the calculation with an answer of negative 20. So 24 minus 4 is 20, and this is 24 minus 4. Again, how do you see that? See, this here we there is no sign, that means this is a plus sign. So 24 is positive and this is 4 is negative. So two different numbers have different signs, so then we subtract always, right? If we have same sign, then we add. So here also again two different signs, negative and positive, so we are going to subtract, that is 20. But then check which one is greater. 24 is greater and it has negative sign, so we will put a negative sign here. The other one we have both same signs, we are going to add, which is 28, and here 24 same sign, again we are going to add, but we will keep the sign. So remember, in these questions you need to see, like when we have same sign, then we add. Let me write here, same sign, then you add. Okay, different sign, then you subtract. So this is the the rule. So when you add same sign, when you add, you keep the sign. So if it is a means same sign, either there is a positive sign or there is a negative sign, so you keep the sign. Whatever sign is there, you keep that sign. If it is a positive, it will remain positive, and if it is a negative, it's going to be negative. Like here this example, 24 and 4, it was negative, so we kept the sign as negative. 24 and 4 both are positive, so we kept the sign positive, right? So these are two examples of same sign. Then different sign we subtract. So like here 24 was positive and this is negative, so we kept this, we subtracted. Here two different signs we subtracted, but then how to keep the sign? Keep the sign of the greater number. Keep the sign of greater numbers. Here greater number was 24 and 24 has a positive sign, so we kept here positive 20. Here 24 was negative and we kept the sign of negative. I hope you understood this. This will be helpful in other questions also, right? Now next one is draw a ring around all the numbers that are common multiples of 4 and 6. We are looking for multiples of 4 and 7, 4 and 6, and then we are looking for the common multiple. First of all, I will write down the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are, like 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, then 16, 20, 24. So you can see the highest number is 24. We will stop here. Then multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So taking multiple, that means you are multiplying this by the counting numbers. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, like this, just the table, right? Now we are looking for the common multiple of 4 and 6. If now you see which one is common out of these. So if we look around here, so the common number 4 is not there, 8 is not here. You start like this. Then 12, we have 12 here and we have 12 in this also. Then 16, 20, then we have 24. So 24 here, right? So these are the common multiples. So we are going to circle, put a ring around 12 and 24. Okay, so now the next one we have here, calculate 2 over 3 plus 4 over 5. Give your answer as a mixed number. So to add them we need to have their denominator same. So to make the denominator same, what I'm going to do, we are going to multiply this, like see, by the number 5 here. Why I have taken 5? The denominator of the other number, and here we are going to multiply by 3. So as you can see here we have 3, so we are going to multiply by that. So this will be now 2 times 5, it is 10, 3 times 5, it's 15, and this is 12 over 15. Now denominator is same, we can easily add numerator. So 10 plus 12, so it is 22 over 15, right? So 22 over 15. So then you need to write down as a mixed number. So 22 divided by 15. 15 times 1 is 15. So this is 22. 12 minus this is 7. So to write this one, you see I have 15. 15 is in denominator, it will remain in the denominator, and remainder comes here, and the divisor is here. So this is 1, 7 over 15. That will be our last answer. Okay, so number 5, here is a coordinate grid. Write down a point, the coordinates of point A. Okay, so coordinates of point A, so that means we need to write down 2 numbers here. So this is our x-axis, right? So go down here. First number is always, when we write the coordinates, we write coordinates x and then y. First number is the y, x1, and then other one is y coordinate. So if you go down here, we have here, so see this is 1, this is negative 0, negative 1, this is going to be negative 2, this is negative 3, and this is going to be negative 4. So our x here is a negative 4. Now you go along this A along to touch the y-axis. So this is our y-axis. So y-axis, if you see here, so we have here, this is 1, 2, and this is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So we have here 3. So y is positive 3. So answer is negative 4 and positive 3, right? Now part B, plot the point with the coordinate 1.5 and negative 2. So as I told you, this one is x and this one is y. So 1.5, 1.5. So this means 1.5. So x 1.5. So see, this is on the right hand side of 0 we have this positive numbers, right? So this is 1, this is 2, 1 and 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So between 1 and 2 we have 1.5, right? 1.5 will come in the middle, and then negative 2. Negative 2 means we need to go down. So negative 2 is here. So this is negative 1, this is negative 2. So our number is point is here, right? This is the required point. Okay. Now number 6, Naomi counts back from 25 in sevens. She counts back, so means subtracting. So it is minus 7. So write the number in the sequence that is closest to 15. So these questions actually are for the paper 1. So you can easily use calculator for that. So 25 minus 7 is 18, minus 7 is 11, 11 minus 7 is, it is 4, then 4 minus 7 is negative 3, then negative 10, negative 17, right? So now we are looking which one is closer to negative 15. So as you compare this and this number, so here we have the difference of 2, negative 15 and negative 2, difference of 2, and here we have difference of 5. So which one is closer? The closer one is negative 17. So negative 17 is the answer. Now number 7, complete the sequence using the correct word. In the number 14.123, 3 represents 3 what? So this is ones, this is tenths, and then thousands. So this is the thousands place. This is easy one. I think you all know that, thousands. Remember to write THS here down, okay, in the end. Now number 8, Mia has 20 apples. She counts the number of seeds in each apple. She shows her data in frequency table. Here she groups the data in equal intervals. Complete the frequency table. So we need to observe the pattern, so we have to complete this. 0 to 2, so difference of 2. 3 to 5, difference of 2. Like here should also be difference of 2, but you see after 2 there is a 3, after 5 we should have a 6, and then 2 is 8, then after 8 we have here 9 to 11. Very simple question, just 1 mark. Now question from transformations. Triangle ABC is drawn on a coordinate grid. The triangle ABC is translated 3 squares up. Translated means moved, right? Translation means moved. So this is moved up 3 squares. Write down the coordinates of the new vertex of the triangle ABC. So we are looking for the coordinates of A, B and C. So A we will move 3 units up. So 1, 2, 3. So this is our point here, A. So now go down here as we did previously. If you go down here, x coordinate is -1 and y is 2. So this is -1 and 2. Okay, then after that we will move the same as for B and C. So as B is, if you move up here 3 units up, 1, 2 and 3, it comes out to be at C. So this coordinate, if you go down here we have 3, and if you go left is 2. So 3 and 2, x and y coordinate. Now C, moving C 3 units up, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our point now, which is C dash. So this is, if you go down here, it is x is 3 and y is 5. So 3 and 5 are the coordinates of point, new coordinates of point C. Okay. Now number 10. Here is the shape drawn on the grid of the sequence. Write the order of rotational symmetry in the shape. So order of rotational symmetry means like when you rotate the shape to 360 degree, how many times you are going to get the same shape. So we will get it twice. You can use tracing paper to show this the rotational symmetry. Draw a line on the shape that the order of rotational symmetry remains the same. Draw a line on the shape that the order of rotational symmetry remain the same. So it is going to be here when we come here like this, and the other one is going to be number 11. Ahmed has 4-digit cards. Ahmed has 4-digit card. The digit on each card is different. So digit on each card is different. There are 4 cards. Digit on each card is different. Always remember to underline the keywords. Cards are different, right? So there are 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And they are numbers are different. He uses 4 cards to make a 4-digit number that is divisible by 4. Write the smallest number that Ahmed could make. So 4-digit number. Now first of all, the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000, right? You know that, right? So we are looking for a smallest number that is divisible by 8. So divisible by 8, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So we can take the table, right? 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, this is 16, this is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, right? So we are looking for the smallest number that he could make. So it can be like, let's say if we are taking 1008, right? If I take 1008, this number is going to be divisible by 8, replacing the last digit by 8, but then these 2 digits, 2 zeros are repeated, so we cannot take this one, right? So let's see the next one. If I take 0 1 0 1 6, if I take the last two digits 16, then again 1 and 1 is repeated, so we cannot take this also. So 1 0, if I take 2 4, now you see this is a 4 digit number and this is divisible by 8, and all the 4 digits are different, so this is our answer 1024. Okay, now the next one, calculate the difference between 5 cubed and 5 squared. 5 cube is 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times is 125. Okay, then 5 square, 5 square is 5 times 5, so this is 25. So the difference means we are going to subtract, so this is 100, so answer is 100. Number 13, Hassan asks children in year 6 which type of film they like to watch. He draws a pie chart showing the data he collects. Type of films in class 6 like to watch. Here tried two types of film that the same number now you see same number of children like to watch. So you need to observe this pie chart and see which sections are same. If you see this section, this the blue one, and that's this dotted, they have like taken it like two sections here, two sections here. So then go back here, which one is this gray one is this fantasy and this one is adventure. So these are the two having same number of the film types they write, so and they like, right? So we will write here adventure and fantasy. So part B, 12 of the children like to watch comedy films. 12 of the children like to watch comedy. Comedy here is 4 sections here, 1 and this is 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 sections, they are equivalent to the 12 comedy films. And write down the number of children who like to watch the cartoon. So cartoon is here, this one 1 2 and 3 sections. And how many like will be the, what will be the total number? We just cross multiply. So this is going to be 4 times x and 3 times 12. So divide by 4, divide by 4. This 4 and 4 is gone. So 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 times 3 it is 9. So final answer is 9, right? Now number 14, Lily chooses two different prime numbers. Two different prime numbers, right? Each number is less than 20. One number has 2 digits. She adds her numbers together. The answer is a prime number. Write down the different numbers that Lily has. Okay. So now, first of all, we will write down all the prime numbers then less than 20. So less than 20 is 2, 3, then 5, 7, 9 is not, 11, then 13, 15 is not prime number, then 17 and 19, right? So these are the prime numbers below 20. One number has 2 digits, so there are they add one number here and the other one it has 2 digits here. Okay, so she adds her numbers together. The answer is a prime. So here whatever number we get, it should be a prime number. I hope you understood, right? So she adds two prime numbers. One is 1 digit, another one is 2 digit number, and answer should be a prime. So if I take 2, right? So 2 and other one here, these are one single digits number and these are 2 digits number, right? So if I add 1 and 11, 2 and 11, right? I get here 13, which is a prime. So we can write it down 2 and 2 plus 11. So let's see the other one. If I add 2 with the 13, you see 2 plus 13, so then it gives us 15, which is not a prime number. Then 2 plus 17, it gives us 19, which is also a prime number. So other answer can be 2 and 17. You can try others also, you may have different answer, right? So this or this may be the answer. Okay, now number 15, Olivier joins two identical square tiles to make a rectangle. The side length of each square tile is represented by S. So each length is s. Draw a ring around the expression which represents the perimeter of the rectangle. So this is s, 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 s and s, right? How many s's are there? So this is perimeter is length all around. This is the perimeter, right, from here to here. So here is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6x, 6s, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the expression where we put the ring, right? Now number 16, write a decimal number on each answer line to make the statement correct. So first we have 843 hundredths. Hundredths means over 100, right? So 2 decimal places, it will be 8.43. So 8.43 will go over here. Then second one is 84 tenths. 84 tenths means 84 times 10. Sorry, it's tenths, tenths. So divide by 10. It is, remember, there is THS, tenths. 84 over 10. Then next is 3000s. 3000s means this, right? So this is 8.4 plus 0.003. Okay, so to add this 8.4, 0.003. So this is 8.403. So 8.403. Okay. Then next one is 8 ones. 8 ones means 8 times 1 plus 4 hundredths. Hundredths again over 100 plus 3000s. 3000s is this one, right? So this is 8. 8 times 1 8 plus 0.04 plus 0.003. So this is 8.0, the first one. The second is 0.8, 0.04, 0.003. It's 8.043. So 8.043 is the answer. Now this one easily we are given 8. 8 means 8.00, 0.4, then 0.03. So 8.43. So go very slowly. You have enough space to do the working here. So do it properly so that you avoid any kind of mistake, right? Okay, so I would request you guys again, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends if you are getting the benefit, and let me know when is your actual checkpoint exam going to happen, so that I can know do we have time to post more videos like this. If they are helpful, let me know if you need more videos for revision. Okay, so here is the question we have. Here are 6 identical isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is having 2 sides and 2 angles equal, right? 2 sides and 2 angles are equal. So for that you see this we can see this and this side is equal. It's visible from though it's not drawn to the scale. Drawn to scale means they are not exactly the same, but they are what we can see that, right? So if this is 40 and 40, so that means this angle and this angle is also going to be the same. So to calculate that angle, you know that sum of the angles. Okay, let's see first of all what is the question. The question is 6 triangles are arranged to make the hexagon. So hexagon is a side having 6 sides. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So hexagon is made. Calculate the smallest angle in the hexagon. So hexagon angles are these angles, right? This angle, this, and then this angle from here to here, this and this. As you can see, this is a reflex angle. So smallest angle is going to be this angle, okay, here. So it can be found from this diagram. So total of the angles is 180, okay, minus 40. So we have 70 degrees, okay. So this angle is 70. Sum of these two angles is going to be 70. no sorry, total of the angles is 180. So this angle is going to be 70, 70, right? 70 and 70, 140, 140 plus 40 is 180. So we got this angle is 70. So any angle of this, if we take, that is going to be equal to 70. So the smaller angle, all these angles, these four angles are 70 degrees. Okay, so this is the smallest angle, that is going to be 70. Okay, now calculate the largest angle. So largest angle is this one here. You see that one at a high I have already made here. So let me change the color. So from this the upper diagram, so this is 70, this is going to be 70 like this. Okay, and this is 40, and this the angle is 70, this is also 70, and this is going to be 40. Okay, so now to get the largest angle, we are going to add this 40 plus 70 plus 70 and plus 40 again, right? So this is 70, sorry, yeah. So when you add, we get it 220 degrees. So 220 degrees is the answer for this one. Okay, now number 18, Angelic rolls a fair-sided dice numbered 1 to 6 once, right? So when you roll a dice, what are we getting? We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the outcomes that we get while we roll a dice. Here are some of the pair of the outcomes. Tick to show if the pair of outcomes are equally likely or not equally likely. So one has been done for you. Pairs of outcome, roll an odd number and an even number. So actually we are not looking for the probability, we are looking for the outcome, possible outcome, equally likely or not equally likely. Will they be equal outcome or not equal? An odd number, how many odd numbers do we have? We have odd numbers here is 1, 3 and 5. So 1, 3 and 5. And even number, we have 2, 4 and 6. So they all both are 3, 3, so their outcome will also be equal. So that's why it is ticked equally likely. Now roll a 3. 3 is coming only one time and 5 is also coming once. So they are also going to be equally likely. Roll a 4 or an even number. So even number we have 2, 4, 6, right, 3 times, and 4 is only once, right? So this is going to be more likely. So they are not equally likely. Rolling the 7, you know there is no outcome of 7, so rolling outcome of 7 is 0 and 9 is also 0 because that is not there. So this is also equally likely. Number 19, complete the table of the equivalent values, fraction, decimal and percentage. This is very common question, I think you know that now. 7 over 10 will be 0.7. To convert into percentage, you can always multiply this by 100, then this is 7 times 10, it is 70%. Okay, so now this 36, 0.36 when you write as a fraction, it is 36 over 100. Okay, so we will write down here 36 over 100, and to convert this into percentage, then 36 over 100 multiply this by 100. So this is gone, so answer is 36. Okay, now from for 175 it is a percentage, right? So from converting this, when you divide it by 100, that will give you decimal, it will be 1.75, and to convert into fraction, 175 over 100. So 175 over 100 we can simplify, divide it by 25, 25 times 4, 25 times 7. Okay, so this is 1, 3 over 4. Okay, you can also simplify this one, but we are not told to write down in simplification form. We can just write it down like that also. Okay, now number 20. Here is a sketch of the triangle. You can see the sketch of the triangle. Draw the triangle accurately. One line has been drawn for you. Okay, so this is you need your protractor for this. I can't show you here, but let me just try. So as AB is given as 7 centimeter, this is already drawn. So then you place your protractor at this point A and draw an angle of 126 here. Yeah, right, you will put a line here, 126. Then you place your protractor at point B on the other side, then you mark angle of 25. This is going to be a bit like this. Then you join them like this, okay, at this point, sorry. So from here B to, so C, wherever is your line going, like this. So this will be your point C, and remember to label it, write down the which angle is 25 and which is 26. Okay. Now number 21, Jamila has black unit cubes. Jamila has black unit cubes and white unit cubes. She uses some of the unit cubes to make this large solid cube. So she has cubes here, black and white, and she made a bigger cube here. Write down the number of unit cubes she uses to make this larger cube. So this cube, if you see here, 3 this side, we have 1 2 3, 3 this side, 3 times 3, it's 9. So in one row we use 9, 9 and 9. So total 9 times 3 is 27 cubes she is using, right? So Jamila removes some of the unit cubes to make this shape. Write down the number of black cubes and white cubes that she removes. We are not, now remember, we are not, see, this removes is highlighted and bolded, right? So that means we are counting here which have been removed, not the ones which are visible here, right? So total number of the cubes we had here 27. So remaining are going to be the removed. So what are left here? So if you see, we have 9 here, 9 here, sorry, this is 3, not 9. So in this line we have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So we have 3, 3, 9. These are total 9. Then this one is 10, right? And then 2 here. Okay, first we are okay, we are not counting, sorry guys, sorry, I haven't read the question. Black cubes, so just black cubes, right? So black cubes, if you see here, black cubes, how many we had black cubes here? In the previous one we had the black cubes as 9 up here, 9 here. So black cubes were 9, 18. Black, total black were 18, right? 18 minus how many were removed? If you see, can see, 1 is removed from here, this one, and 3 from here. 1 plus 3, 3 from this row. So that is 1 plus 3, and then 1 from here, 3 from here, and 3 plus 2 from here, 5, and plus 3 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So they are coming in total, it's 11, it's not this one, it is 11. So there are 11. You have to use your imagination technique here. So here you see these, let me, how can I show you? So which have been removed here. So this row is not there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then 2 down here, right? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7 plus, then we have here 8, then behind there 9, and 2 down, yeah, 11, 12, 11, sorry. So 18 minus 11. So we have removed, she has removed 7 black cubes. and then the white cubes. So white cubes were 9, right? Out of 9, 9 minus how many has removed? So if you see, so this first row 3 and then 2 from here, so it is 5. So that is going to be 4 white cubes. Okay. Now number 22, Yuri does 7 science tests. She scores 3 different marks. She scores 3 different, these are scientists, 7 scientists and 3 different marks. His median is less than his mode. Median is less than mode. Now what is median? Mode is a number that comes maximum time. So let's say her marks are 9, right? So maximum marks, let's say he's getting 9 and 9. And his median mark is less than mode, so then mode should be repeated 3 times. Okay, and then mode, let's say you can take any number. I'm taking 7 and 7, right? Then write down the number in each box that the 7 marks Yuri could score. So we can take any other number 3 3. Now here you see this 9 is greater, coming 3 times, which is a mode than any of the other, right? Now number 23, angles A, B, C are arranged to make a straight line. Angle A is smaller than angle B. Angle A is smaller than angle B, and angle A is larger than angle C. Though the total of the two smaller angles are that is, here is A and C. So meaning that B is the greatest angle, right? That's what we understood from here, of equal size of the large angle. So that means that A plus C is equal to the larger angle. That means A plus C is equal to B, right? So if I take the biggest angle here, let's say I'm taking B as 90 degree. So sum of these two should be 90. So one can be here angle 50 and this can be 40, right? So we can write it down here. A can be 50. You can have another answer also. So despite that, the sum of these two angles A plus C should be equal to angle B here. Okay. Now number 24, on Monday Eva swims 60 lengths. On Monday Eva swims 60 lengths of the pool. On Tuesday she swims 50% more than lengths on Monday. On Wednesday she swims 50% fewer lengths. Calculate the total number of lengths. Okay, so we'll start one by one. So let's say this is the total length of the pool. On Monday Eva, she takes, on Monday we will take one by one. On Monday she takes 60 lengths. Okay, and Tuesday is 50% more than on Monday. So 50% of 60 is 50 over 100 times 60. So this 0 and 0 is gone. 5 times 6, 60. So on Tuesday, Monday it is 60, and Tuesday it's going to be on Tuesday 50% more than on Monday. On Monday it was 60 and 50% more than is 30, right? So this is 90. Okay, and on Wednesday it's 50% of it says 50% fewer than on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, you see Tuesday it was 30%. Sorry, Tuesday it was 90, and 50% of 90 is half of that, that is 45. So already fewer than that. So 90 was there, minus then 45. So this is 45. So Wednesday is 45. Then we are going to add all of them. It is 195. Right? Now next question, number 25. Pere and Chen want to find out which car color is most common in their town. They collect data for some of the cars in their town. Here is the data collection. Here is the data collection. Perez says that gray car definitely the most common car in our town. Explain why he could be correct. So gray, if you see, gray is 38, which is more than any of that. So that means he can be correct. So that can because this is the more than any other car color. This is because this is more than any other car color, right? Now next one, Chen says you cannot be certain which is the most common car color in our town, but gray appears to be common car color. Explain why he could be correct. So he can be correct because we don't know what kind of data or how many people he has asked, he has observed, and what is the number of data collection. So it can be different if we collect more information. So if we collect a large number of data, so this can change, right? So we can say it cannot be certain because if more samples are collected, then the result can be different. So that's why we cannot be sure about this, we cannot be certain about this result, right? So I think that's it for this video, guys. Hope you understood everything. Let me know in the comment section how do you like this video, and do you like more videos like this. So I will try to do, maybe I will do the similar kind of some other questions, or any particular topic you want me to revise. Thank you so much, guys. Kindly write your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video. Good luck for your exams.